The yellow birds have now turned white. Look at them. You haven't seen them in a while. They're getting big. Look at that Plymouth Bart Rock. Looking like his big sisters. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It's packed in here. They're ready for their dispatch date in about a month. Yep, about a month. Look how big their feet are. So they got some more room to grow. All they do is eat. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Some nice eggs today. Good work, girls. There you are again.
Well, hello everybody. This is Rayzone Power Jim here, and I have some great news for you again in regards to the affordable portable power station box for only $275 plus shipping and handling. But it is so truly affordable and powerful. I used my ABS strength plastic case with a 1,000-watt inverter and 300 MPPT solar controller and multiple ports with a step-by-step manual. You just can't go wrong with the adapters and the charger to keep your chicken coop in working order. It's been a cold winter here in Utah, and I've had my chicken coop at 70 degrees. I've produced enough eggs, which I was told could never happen because of several things. One, my feed formula was great. The extra food that I gave them on a daily basis of leftovers was fantastic for them. But I also kept their chicken coop warm at 70 degrees, and it was phenomenal. I have white birds getting ready to go to harvest in a couple of weeks. I have my layers laying eggs. That's paying for all the food that and feed that these guys make. My solar heat lamps are doing great. This is by far the most satisfying thing for the portable power station. Please look us up on www.rayzonepower.com and order you one today. It will be able to provide all the things protected needs for your chicken coop, and goes right to solar power connection. And look at those beautiful eggs. Wouldn't you like to have some? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and get you one today. Have a great one.